And once you finish installing this remote start kit by MyKey Premium, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car is running. Stick around and I'll show you how to install it. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start, and we're working on Kia Sorento. It is suitable for 2016 to 2020 models. This product is 100% plug and play, you don't carry any wires, and it works with your original key. It also comes with two additional functions, smart timer and automatic door lock unlock. I'll show you how it works after we install it. But before then, this product is designed for push button start system, so if you have a key start ignition, we have a different video for you. But for this model, we're going to be working with the push button start system. And now let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get a harness and a module. And for this specific model, make sure dip switch is set up like this. 1, 2 are down, 3, 4 up. On the right side, 1 is down, 2 is up, 3 is down, and 4 is up. And this is exactly for 3.3 liter engine. If you have a smaller engine, 2.0 or 2.4 liters, it's going to be a little different setup, and it's going to be like this. Just like that. 1 is up, 2 is up, 3, 4 are down. On the right side, 1 is up, 2 is up, 3 is down, and 4 is up. And if it's not preset, you could always do it yourself. So if it's like this, you could always switch it up yourself. And now we're going to be disconnecting these two connectors. All we're doing is we're pressing this pin and pulling connector out. Same thing with the little one. Pressing this pin and out. Well, we only need these two. And now we're going to be connecting it to MyKey Premium T harness. These two connectors, we're going to plug in into the connectors we just unplugged. One by one, just like that. Make sure you hear the click. If you don't hear the click, that means it's probably not all the way in and the car is not going to work properly. Just like that. And these two connectors will go back into your smart key module. Just like that. And the last one. There you go. Make sure you hear the click. And now you have these two connectors. But before then, make sure your red plug is unplugged. So if it is connected, make sure you disconnect it first before you do anything further. Just like that. And now, one more time, make sure dip switch is set up like this. If you have a 3.3 liter engine, and if your engine is smaller, 2.0 or 2.4 liters, the setup will be like this. One, 2 are up, 3, 4 are down, and on the right side, 1 is down, 2 is up, 3 is down, and 4 is up. But for this model, we're working with a 3.3 liter engine, so the setup is going to be slightly different. It's going to be 1 and 2 down, 3, 4 are up, and everything else stays the same. So if it's also if it's not preset, you can always do it yourself. And now we're going to be plugging in into MyKey Premium module. Data connector goes first, just like that, and the power always goes last. So if you do ever uninstall it, you remove this first, and everything else follows. Before you put this away, test it first, make sure everything works as it should, and then you will have plenty of room all the way up there. Zip tied, make sure nothing is hanging near your pedals for the safety reasons. Or you could also put this module behind this panel. There's plenty of room. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. Not too fast, not too slow. And here you go, the car is running. And also if you want to shut it off with your key, it's the same procedure. And once you inside the car is still running, it's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is press the brake, put in gear, and you're good to go. So this is how the smart timer works. Let's say you made a quick stop, you want to go to a store or something, and you want to hold on to the keys while the car is running. Normally, you won't be able to lock your car without shutting the car off if you want to be holding to your key. But with this MyKey Premium product, you're going to be able to hold on to the key and lock the car while the car is running. All we have to do is press this door pin, and now the car is locked and it's going to stay running for 20 minutes or before you come back. And this is how the automatic door lock and unlock works. Once I approach the car will unlock itself. There you go, the car unlock itself. And once I leave, the car will lock itself. And here you go, the car is locked. To activate or deactivate these additional two functions is the same procedure. So all you have to do is press the brake, hold it, lock the car, and press the lock button 2 times. Just like that. In response, you're either gonna hear 1 beeping sound or 2 beeping sounds. 1 beeping sound means the functions are off, and 2 beeping sounds means the function is on. And in case if it didn't work, here's a couple of things to follow. First thing, make sure all the doors are closed. If one of the doors is slightly opened or not fully closed, the remote start wouldn't work. Another thing is, make sure when you're pressing the lock button on your key fob to start the car, make sure you press it with one small interval. Just like this. And if it still doesn't work, it's probably one of the connectors didn't sit well. So all you have to do is uninstall everything and then install it again following this video. And make sure when you do install it, push every connector all the way in. And another thing to check is the dip switch on MyKey Premium module. Make sure your dip switch is set up correctly. And if it still doesn't work, please reach out to MyKey Premium support. It's support@mykeypremium.com. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Leave a comment down below if you use this video to install it in your Kia Sorento. Thank you guys. Bye.